Welcome to our channel. Today we have a special recipe for all healthy and vegetarian food lovers, rich in protein. Wait, not eggs, ha 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 ha. The main dish is lentils. Now we will learn how to prepare a vegetarian lentil burger, a meal rich in protein and ideal for building muscle and maintaining health. Watch the video to discover the ingredients and easy steps to prepare this delicious meal. 1 cup boiled lentils, a great source of protein and fiber. 1/2 cup ground oats, adds a healthy and cohesive texture. 1 small chopped onion, gives a delicious flavor. 1 clove minced garlic, to enhance the taste. 1 teaspoon paprika and cumin, to add a wonderful oriental flavor. Salt and pepper to taste. 1. Boiled lentils, 1 cup. Lentils are a rich source of plant protein and fiber, which helps you feel full and improves digestive health. It also contains iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. Amount of protein. 1 cup of boiled lentils contains about 18 grams of protein. 2. Ground oats, 1/2 cup. Oats add a cohesive texture to the recipe, and they also contain soluble fiber that helps lower cholesterol and promote heart health. Amount of protein. 1/2 cup of ground oats contains about 5 grams of protein. 3. Onions, a small chopped onion. Onions enhance the flavor of the burger and contain antioxidants that help strengthen immunity and improve heart health. 4. Garlic, 1 chopped clove. Garlic adds a distinctive flavor to the recipe and contains sulfur compounds that boost immunity and reduce inflammation. 5. Paprika, 1 teaspoon. Paprika gives a delicious flavor and attractive color to the recipe and contains antioxidants that support skin health. 6. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Cumin improves digestion and adds a distinctive flavor, and it also has anti-inflammatory properties. 7. Olive oil, 1 teaspoon for cooking. Olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which promote heart health and add a rich flavor to the recipe. Total protein in the dish: lentils, 18 grams, oats, 5 grams, onions, garlic, and spices, very little protein. Approximate total, 23 grams of protein in the entire dish. Step 1. In a large bowl, mash the cooked lentils with a fork or spoon until smooth. Step 2. Add the ground oats, onion, garlic, spices, and salt. Mix well until a cohesive dough forms. Step 3. Shape the dough into small or large discs as desired. Step 4. Heat a non-stick frying pan over medium heat with a little olive oil and cook the burgers until golden on both sides. 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon olive oil, a pinch of salt and black pepper, 1 small clove of garlic, optional for added flavor. Mash the avocado well with a fork until smooth. Add the lemon juice and olive oil and mix well. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, then mix again. If you want a stronger flavor, grate a clove of garlic and add it to the sauce. And here we are with our delicious vegan lentil burger. A protein-rich, easy-to-prepare recipe that is perfect for a light meal or a delicious lunch. If you try the recipe, don't forget to share your opinion with us in the comments. Subscribe to the channel and click the like button to receive more healthy and vegan recipes. See you in the next video.